Hi, my name is Loren Lee. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at the Coleman Institute. Today, I wanted to talk about an FDA warning that came out this year about buprenorphine-containing medications such as Suboxone that are administered under your tongue. This warning says that Suboxone and other buprenorphine-containing medications can actually lead to tooth decay, tooth rot, breakage, and other mouth infections. What you can do if you're taking one of these medications to prevent this is to administer the medication just as you normally would, but afterwards to gently rinse your mouth with water and swallow that. You also should wait at least an hour before brushing your teeth after administering your medication. And I also really encourage you to follow up with a dentist regularly and make sure that they're aware that you're taking these medications so that they can keep an eye out for these symptoms too. I hope this was helpful and I appreciate listening.